Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel. Today, as I said in the previous videos, we are going to see a conversation in grocery store. So we have all those words ready. Now we are going to join them in a conversation. So let's see this and learn new words. A few things before I start the conversation. Shop is kada in Malayalam and shopkeeper is kadakaran. Kadakaran in Malayalam. Another thing I want to tell you is that if you are in a particular region in Kerala, there can be a different word. For example, for shop, you can hear a different word. It is because of the slangs we are using, because it is more colloquial. But it doesn't mean this is wrong, which means this, whatever I am teaching you, you can use it anywhere in Kerala or anywhere whenever you are talking to any person in Kerala, you can use these words. Everyone can understand this. But you might have heard other words too. But I just wanted to remind you that to avoid confusion. So here starts our conversation. Kadakaran. He says, Enda vendadu. Enda vendadu. Shopkeeper is asking, what do you want? Sachin is answering, 5 kilo അരി, 1/2 kilo പഞ്ചസാര, 1/2 kilo ചായപ്പൊടി, 1 liter എണ്ണ. So maybe some of you are wondering like why a conversation is happening like this in a grocery store, because in most of the places it is a supermarket to get groceries where you can go and pick all these things and you don't have to talk to any person. You just want to grab every stuff and go and bill it at the counter. But why is there a conversation in the grocery store? So the thing is that in Kerala or in India, I think so, in most places still there are like local shops where you actually have to speak to them rather than go and grabbing stuff. So this conversation is such a conversation. So when I read here, since you already saw the other videos, I want you to remember what I am telling. Like Sachin's dialogue is 5 kilo അരി, 1/2 kilo പഞ്ചസാര, 1/2 kilo ചായപ്പൊടി, 1 liter എണ്ണ. Did you get it? Just try to remember what you learned in the previous chapters. You will get it. Okay, let us see what is it. So he says 5 kilograms of rice, 1 kilogram of sugar, 500 grams of tea powder, and 1 liter of oil. So the shopkeeper is asking, Kadakaran is asking, Edennaya. He's just said 1 liter oil. So Edennaya, which means that means which kind of oil? Which kind of oil? So Sachin says Velichanna. He says coconut oil. So shopkeeper is asking again, where in the? What else? Which means when you tell them all these things, they will start packing this and they will bag it to you. So he's asking where in the, what else? So Sachin answers കോഴിമുട്ട വേണം. കോഴിമുട്ട വേണം. Sachin says he want egg. I want egg. വേണം means want. So I want egg. കടക്കാരൻ എത്ര എണ്ണം? Shopkeeper is asking how many. എണ്ണം means count, or it's asking like how many, എത്ര എണ്ണം. Sachin says 10 എണ്ണം. മൊത്തം എത്രയായി? He answers 10 എണ്ണം. 10 എണ്ണം means 10 numbers. 10, he needs 10 eggs. And how much is total? മൊത്തം എത്രയായി means how much is total. So കടക്കാരൻ says, I have used numerical here, but it is 523 രൂപ. 523 രൂപ, which is 523 rupees. 523. Sachin, ഇതാ 530. He is giving the money and says here 530 rupees. കടക്കാരൻ, ഒരു 3 രൂപ ചില്ലറയുണ്ടോ? Shopkeeper is asking, do you have a 3 rupees change? ഒരു 3 രൂപ ചില്ലറയുണ്ടോ? Sachin says ഇല്ല. ഇല്ല. Sachin says no. Illa means no. So shopkeeper says, ശരി ഇതാ ബാക്കി 10 രൂപ 3 പിന്നെ തന്നാൽ മതി. So he is saying, all right, here take balance rupees 10, give rupees 3 later. So when you go for this shopping in a local store like this, more chances are there that this person, this shopkeeper already know you very well and you know him very well. So the chances are like there are always adjustments like this. So you sometimes owe some money to them or sometimes they owe some money to you, but that is considered all right. I just want to bring that picture in here. That is why I just added it like that. ശരി ഇതാ ബാക്കി 10 രൂപ 3 പിന്നെ തന്നാൽ മതി. So Sachin says ശരി. That means all right. All right. So that was our conversation. I hope this conversation was very easy for you and you learned a lot of things today. And use the comment section below to say whatever you feel about this video and give me suggestions and ideas on what to make next. I'll be reading all your comments. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Nani for watching and namaskaram.